How does the process of divorce work in New Jersey? Attorney Paul Mirabelli explains. The divorce can be broken down into several parts. The first part is what's called the cause of action, which is the reason for the divorce. By the time people come and see me, they don't really care what the reason is. They just know that they want to get divorced. Very few cases are ever fought over the grounds for divorce. Most people now file under what's called irreconcilable differences, which means you haven't gotten along for at least 6 months. There's been a breakdown of the marriage, and there is no reasonable prospect of reconciliation. The next part has to do with the children. The courts prefer for the parents to come up with a custody and visitation plan because they're the ones who presumably know what's in the best interest of the children. Typically, what happens is that the parties get to a certain point, and then there are a few sticking points here and there. In that situation, your case would be referred to custody and visitation mediation. This is a meeting with a social worker or a counselor who has experience in helping parents to come up with a custody and visitation arrangement that's best for the kids and that fits with what the parents want. Your lawyers would not be present at that meeting. The court is always going to decide custody and visitation issues based on the best interest of the children. That's paramount in any kind of custody case. If you can't resolve it with custody and visitation mediation, and you have to have a custody case, that gets very expensive. Experts are hired, and it's not really good for the kids. It's really a last resort, but it does happen, and it is very expensive. As a trusted bankruptcy lawyer, family lawyer, and divorce lawyer, Paul is here for all your legal needs. Your case gets our complete attention at every stage, and we work diligently to help you get the positive outcome you deserve. Call today for a free consultation or visit his website at www.paulmirabellilaw.com.